welcome back to another video. It's your girl Steph, also known as Gangsta Spice. That's what they call me out here in these streets and online. So follow my personal Instagram at Gangsta Spice, spelled how I said it. Okay. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a lazy Freddie. I got somewhere to be tomorrow, but I washed my hair. I'm going to show you how I do everything in like couple of twists. So I already did the little foundation twist and I sectioned off my hair. So hopefully this isn't going to be a long video, but I'm going to actually talk you through the whole entire process. Tomorrow I'm going to the zoo. The pandas are leaving and your girl got tickets to see them for the last time. It's called Pandapalooza. So that's where I'm going, so I don't have to be too cute, but you never know who you gonna see. So this is first section. I'm using Mielle leave-in conditioner, Mielle drops. These are hair growth, and we all want long hair, so Then I also have some Jamaican castor oil to just seal in the deal. So yes, it makes my hair shiny too. So hopefully it comes out really nice. Unless I have to wake up early, I doubt that's gonna happen. But hey. Boom, take the 2 strands and then you twist it. See it? And this is called a flat twist. And what I'm doing is a twist out. And then sometimes you gotta put a little extra love on the ends, make sure they cooperate, because sometimes they don't be. So you do that, you twist it to the very end, and then you take your twist and then you twist it again, and then you twist it into a knot, and that knot is called a Bantu knot. You might need to pin it. Today I don't need to pin it. I'm not gonna pin it. Maybe I'll pin it later. So that's the first twist, and then you grab the second section of hair, comb it out, put a little extra conditioner oil. I think I like this lighting better, way better than my bathroom lighting. So here we go. It's like nighttime too. It's 9:16. So you take it and you take the twist and then you twist them. Hopefully there's no interruptions. Okay, first 2, boom. The back, now these twists gonna look a little crazy. I said 2, but I don't know, the back of my head be looking kind of crazy. It feels crazy already, so maybe it might be 3 twists. So you put some conditioner. And then whoop. You think it could be one big ass twist? I don't know. I'm gonna cut it in half. That's good enough. Hopefully y'all can see it. So you put a little oil. Ouch. I'm still here. Y'all still here with me. I feel like the back of my hair, I always have to comb a couple of times before I get it all the way together. Ooh. So you take the 2 strands I like to leave a little bit of hair out in the back just because like it'd be a little sensitive. Twist it all the way to the end and then put it in a nice little Bantu knot. I'm gonna need a little pin for this, I think. It's gonna unravel. And so these little pins right here, you see? Yeah, so I'm gonna just pin the back because the back be unraveling. So. Hair tie so it don't get caught up in the mix. Put a little more leave-in conditioner. Put some oil in my leave-in conditioner. I don't like to OD on the conditioner because I'll be working out. And I don't like the buildup with the conditioner and the sweat. So. But some people be doing a lot, but you don't have to do too much. My hair is pretty moist. All right, so then you take the 2 strands from the top of that section. And then you twist it down. You know how I said the back of your hair, the back of my hair be taking whatever. It's thick. Oops. Get them ends. Ooh, I'm hot, I'm sweating. I'm gonna open up a window. There's no reason why I need to be this shiny. So here you go. I hope this looks better. It feels like it looks better. So, almost done. Almost done. So now, this is like the biggest part in the back. Put some conditioner. We're using majority Mielle products, so shout out to the Mielle Organics team. Hit me up. I will gladly do it because I got a lot of your products already in stock. This is a sport. This is an arm workout. Champagne and hair, baby. Gucci, Gucci, voila. Yata. Like the end's not ending. there you have it. Twist it into a Bantu knot. And then, ew, damn, dropped. Secured. Okay? So that's that. And then 2 in the front, and then we're almost done. The time is now 9:30. So it's been about 16 minutes. Okay, and then, like I said, 2 sections. So split it right down the middle. Is that the middle? It doesn't matter if it's a straight line, but I like my lines to be straight. Helps the flow of things. So, separated. And then, so I just make sure the other one is out the way. Put a little more conditioner, oil. I probably need to get the trim soon. You see. Would y'all be interested in me doing a trim? I trim my hair to this hairstyle. So let me know. Let me know in the comments, because I will definitely do it for you guys if y'all want me to. So you take the 2 strands like we've been doing. So boom, that's that one, and then we are almost done. We have one last piece. We almost there, almost there. I'm always excited about the last piece because, like, okay, I can live my life now. Barely. Put a little more oil to seal the deal. Inches. You see these guns? Welcome to the gun show. Ooh. All right. You take those 2 strands like we've been doing, and then you guys see it? Twist, and then twist into a Bantu knot. And then we're done. Et puis that's it. Okay, so boom. The time is now 9:35. We spent 15 minutes doing this, okay? This is it. And now all you gotta do is just wrap it and go to sleep. Enjoy the rest of your night. It's Saturday night, so I'm gonna get a drink. Then grab your handy dandy headscarf, or as the Haitians like to call it, a mouchoir. And then you grab it. That's how I'd like to twist mine. You can twist it however you want your headscarf to be. Some people use do-rag, some people use a silk cap. Whatever works best for you at the end of the night, because you're gonna be the one sleeping. And that's it, okay? It's secure. And just like that, you know your hair's gonna be popping tomorrow. And then that's it. And then you go to sleep. Good night. Yeah, but let me give you a close-up of what it's supposed to look like. One twist going this way, because this is the foundation twist. Two in the front going this way, two going down this way, one going this way, and then three in the back going down. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you were able to accomplish this look. Let me know if you have any comments, questions about the products that I use. The products that I use will be linked in the Amazon store in my description. So everything that I use, all the combs, the conditioners, shampoos, everything that I use on my hair like religiously that I recommend will be in my Amazon store. I will link to my Amazon storefront in my description, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If this helped you out, let me know. Hit the like button. Why aren't you subscribed? Thank you to everyone who is subscribing. My subscription numbers are going up. I appreciate y'all, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.